The world of artificial intelligence is no stranger to bold claims, but few have generated as much excitement as DeepSeek AI. This small startup burst onto the scene, claiming to have built an AI to rival the giants, all for a mere $5 million. Social media lit up, investors took notice, and the tech world held its breath. Could this be the start of a revolution, making powerful AI accessible to all? Or was it just hype? DeepSeek promised to democratize AI. They envisioned a future where cutting-edge technology wasn't confined to the labs of tech giants. This vision struck a chord, capturing the imagination of entrepreneurs and researchers alike. The allure of cheap, powerful AI was undeniable. But could DeepSeek deliver on its ambitious promise? DeepSeek's claims rested on the back of two impressive AI models, DeepSeek V3 and DeepSeek R1. DeepSeek V3 is a text-based model. It excels at understanding and generating human language. Imagine a chatbot that can hold a conversation like a knowledgeable friend or a writing assistant that crafts compelling narratives. That's DeepSeek V3 in action. DeepSeek R1, on the other hand, is a master of images. It can analyze, generate, and manipulate visuals with remarkable accuracy. Picture an AI artist that paints breathtaking landscapes or a security system that identifies threats with superhuman precision. That's the power of DeepSeek R1. DeepSeek claimed these models were not only powerful, but also incredibly efficient. They boasted of using innovative techniques to train their AIs on a shoestring budget, a stark contrast to the massive expenditures of their competitors. $5 million might sound like a lot of money, and it is, for most of us. But in the world of cutting-edge AI, it's practically pocket change. Training a large language model requires immense computational resources. Think of vast server farms, humming with enough electricity to power a small city. These costs add up quickly, often reaching into the hundreds of millions for top-tier AI models. So, how did DeepSeek manage to train its models for a fraction of the cost? The answer, it seems, lies in clever engineering and a few trade-offs. DeepSeek focused on optimizing their algorithms, squeezing every ounce of performance out of their hardware. They also made strategic choices about the size and scope of their models, sacrificing some capabilities to achieve their ambitious price point. Section 4. A universe of competitors. DeepSeek's entry into the AI arena sent ripples through the industry. Established players like OpenAI and Google AI, with their massive resources and years of research, suddenly had a new contender to worry about. But how did DeepSeek actually stack up against these giants? In terms of raw performance, DeepSeek's models lagged behind the industry leaders. The titans of AI had a significant head start, and their models benefited from larger data sets, more computational power, and years of fine-tuning. However, DeepSeek's models showed surprising competence for their size and cost. They excelled in specific areas, demonstrating the potential of their efficient approach. Section 5. Hype train or rocket ship. DeepSeek's bold claims and impressive technology generated a wave of excitement on social media. Tech enthusiasts and investors alike were captivated by the promise of affordable, high-performing AI. But amidst the hype, a crucial question remained. Was DeepSeek truly an OpenAI competitor? The reality, as is often the case with disruptive technologies, was more nuanced. DeepSeek's models, while impressive, were not yet on par with the industry leaders in every aspect. They lacked the breadth of capabilities and the raw power of their larger counterparts. However, DeepSeek's efficient approach and laser focus on affordability represented a significant shift in the AI landscape. Section 6. The future of intelligence. DeepSeek's story, regardless of its ultimate outcome, highlights a crucial turning point in the evolution of AI. The future of artificial intelligence is no longer solely in the hands of tech giants with bottomless budgets. Smaller players, armed with ingenuity and a focus on efficiency, can now enter the arena and challenge the status quo. This new era of AI development promises to be one of fierce competition, rapid innovation, and increasing accessibility. We can expect to see even more efficient algorithms, novel training techniques, and a proliferation of specialized AI models tailored to specific tasks. This explosion in AI development will have profound implications for our world. It will drive economic growth, revolutionize industries, and create entirely new job markets. but it also raises important questions about ethics, bias, and the responsible use of this powerful technology. As we venture further into the age of artificial intelligence, one thing is clear: the future is full of possibilities, and it's up to us to shape it wisely.